If you're looking for a stylish and functional tote bag, then you'll want to check out the best quilted puffer tote bag. This bag is perfect for everyday user for travel, as it features a sturdy quilted construction and a spacious interior. The bag also has two comfortable handles and a detachable crossbody strap, so you can carry it however you like. Plus, the bag comes in a variety of colors and patterns, so you're sure to find one that matches your style. There are many products available to choose from. Puffer tote bag for women. I have compiled a list from reputed brands and done a lot of research. People will see your choice and find the products very helpful. To help you make an informed decision on various features, the right products with different features and prices are determined from best puffer tote bag for women. If you want to know about the price and other information, sure be check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Large puffer tote bag. Tote bags for women. Cotton interior structure. 2 small open pockets for daily stuff like phones, purses, keys. 1 large zipper pocket. All stuff can be well organized inside of tote bags. Aesthetic fluffy quilting tote bag is pretty roomy. Personalized tote bag handles are comfortable. Tote bag with zip is soft as a pillow. She's so cute. Use quilting technology. Sewn neatly. Shoulder bag for women closed with a zipper and a magnet. Everything is fine. Tote bag for schoolgirls. Dimensions 1423 LX 493 WX 983H. Suitable for you to carry it in. Common questions on BDSX. Large puffer tote bag. Trendy luxury chic quilted cotton padded designer handbags for women. Winter soft puffer shoulder bag. Nylon down pillow bag. Women's handbags in shopper bag. Black. What is the size of this bag? This bag is 11.83 liters x 5.53 watts x 11.83 h. What is this bag made out of? This bag is made out of 100% quilted cotton with a polyester lining. What are some of the features of this bag? Some of the features of this bag include a top zip closure, an interior zippered pocket, and 2 exterior pockets. Number 2. HunterBee medium large. If you're looking for a stylish, versatile and lightweight tote bag, the medium quilted nylon padding tote bag is a great choice. It's made from a quilted down material that is super light, yet durable and stylish. The bag has a large capacity, so it's perfect for carrying all of your daily essentials like keys, phones, cards, sunglasses, umbrellas, and cosmetics. The bag also has an inner lining with small pockets, so you can keep your keys and cell phone organized and within reach. The bag has a square style closure type with a zipper and a curve pattern style closure type with a magnetic button. Common questions on medium quilted nylon padding tote bag. Waterproof casual handbags. Puffer puffy purses for women. LADIES. What is the tote bag made out of? The tote bag is made out of quilted nylon padding. What is the tote bag's purpose? The tote bag is meant to be a casual and stylish handbag for everyday use. How is the tote bag water resistant? The tote bag has a water resistant coating that helps protect it from the elements. How big is the tote bag? The tote bag is 12 inches wide by 14 inches tall. Number 3. FurinFashion PUB1 large puffer tote bag. If you're on the hunt for a stylish and functional handbag, look no further than the FurinFashion PUB1 large puffer tote bag. This quilted down padded bag is roomy enough to carry all your essentials, with a handy exchangeable strap that lets you wear it as a clutch, handbag or shoulder bag. Plus, the chic pillow style shape means it's sure to turn heads wherever you go. Common questions on FurinFashion PUB1 large puffer tote bag for women. Quilted down padded clutch handbags. Shoulder bag. Crossbody bag. Pillow shopping bag with exchangeable strap. Black. Where is the FurinFashion PUB1 large puffer tote bag for women? Quilted down padded clutch handbags. Shoulder bag. Crossbody bag. Pillow shopping bag with exchangeable strap. Black. Made. The FurinFashion PUB1 large puffer tote bag for women. Quilted down padded clutch handbags. Shoulder bag. Crossbody bag. Pillow shopping bag with exchangeable strap. Black. Is made in China. What is the FurinFashion PUB1 large puffer tote bag for women? Quilted down padded clutch handbags. Shoulder bag. Crossbody bag. Pillow shopping bag with exchangeable strap. Black. Made of the FurinFashion PUB1 large puffer tote bag for women. Quilted down padded clutch handbags. Shoulder bag. Crossbody bag. Pillow shopping bag with exchangeable strap. Black. Is made of quilted down and padded fabric. How do I clean the FurinFashion PUB1 large puffer tote bag for women? Quilted down padded clutch handbags. Shoulder bag. Crossbody bag. Pillow shopping. Number 4. Women large quilted puffer tote bag. This large quilted puffer tote bag is perfect for carrying all your things with you on the go. The bag is roomy enough to fit everything you need, and its soft padded down construction will keep you warm all winter long. The bag also features a handy inner zipper pocket, so you can keep your important items close at hand. and with its variety of carrying options, this bag is perfect for any occasion. Common questions on women: large quilted puffer tote bag, soft padded down winter handbag, space totes, puffer shoulder bag, nylon pillow shopper bag. Green. What is the name of the product? Women large quilted puffer tote bag, soft padded down winter handbag, space totes, puffer shoulder bag, nylon pillow shopper bag. Green. Number 5. JQWSVE puffer tote bag. For a basic black puffer purse, this crossbody quilted one is on trend. The horizontal quilting is cool, and it features shorter puffy handles for comfy grasping. It comes in metallic colors: nylon, imported, polyester lining, zipper closure, hand wash only. High quality. The quilted crossbody bags is made of high quality nylon material. Good gloss, comfortable and stretchy. Good tear resistance and durability. The zipper is smooth and works well. Capacity enough: 33, 21, 12 centimeters, 12.998.264.72 in. This padded handheld cross bag is enough to hold your daily needs such as iPad, wallet, mobile phone, cosmetics, umbrella, water bottle, etc. Comfortable handle. The handles are soft to carry, and the wide straps don't weigh down your shoulders, making it easy to wear. All seams are finely machined to ensure durability. Design: classic fluffy quilted bag with detachable long shoulder strap. High-end luxury and exquisite design shows the elegant fashion and personality of women. Shoulder hand crossbody. It can easily match your various styles. Occasions: the perfect women's shoulder bag for shopping, dating, commuting, travel, vacation, party, work, etc. It's also the perfect gift for any occasion such as Christmas, Valentine's Day, women's birthdays, Mother's Day, Thanksgiving, and anniversaries. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. What should be the price? By verifying the right product quality and what is the customer's demand. If you want to know product details or price, need any kind of more information, comment below. Any issue, stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much easier. Thanks for my watching.